I don't know if I'm gonna make this or not.
Yeah, give me a minute, I'll be out of your way. Nice train.
Yeah, I think I'll make it.
Well, I got you.
Looks nice, but
Yeah, I was gonna say, I can't see that well. My hat's off anyway.
sometimes when you guys really do it,
You're
it's
great.
There's a
mud freight crawling along when you get behind the
I'm waiting to pick up the rest of my car. Things are all like rocks. And I'm waiting for Dad to cross the bridge too.
Hate it when that happens.
Well,
The rest is history, huh? You see the end of the train.
where's that?
It's over there. You said a couple miles.
Heidi?
Heidi?
Which is the long run, I thought.
There's nobody following you, is there?
I don't know, you gotta go.
You're positive of that,
You
aren't
should be
you?
good there, buddy. You gotta watch out for Jeff, he gotta come up and plow you though.
Yeah.
Big explosion over here, the state trooper had to get off the bridge and come down the tracks.
A lot of time. Well, it's something that you don't do.
Oh, hey Steve, hold up a second.
Tommy pushed the wrong
I
button.
think I did.
You're holding, there you go.
What'd we do?
How come this one don't, oh, that was.
You pushed the wrong
I
button.
think
You
I
derailed
pushed
me
the
there?
wrong- Yes, I did.
Yes,
I pushed the wrong button,
You don't
evidently.
push this one, you push that one.
Okay.
That'll line you up there.
Okay. And these are all lined back up. Oh, sorry about that.
He said, watch what I'm gonna do to Steve. Yeah, I know, he had his.
See, I can do that today because you got to ride home with me.
I know it.
Shoes on the other foot this trip. Hi, guy.
Is that
He's all
measuring
right.
help?
Like they're all SB40s.
SB45, the yellow ones, and SB40s, that's two in the middle.
Okay.
Did you, ask them or did it come
No, I had a guy do it for me. Oh, really? The blue one I bought off eBay a couple years ago. That is the one I did it with.
Oh, yeah.
And I had to do the other two.
They look nice. Look, come over the problem.
Doesn't. Yeah, they're CMW guys.
They were pushing it right on up here. Here's the bottom of that. Hello. Trevor? I don't know. Upstairs? Sure. You're catching me, Steve. You have to speed up a little bit.
I can slow up a little bit, you don't get too long.
Nope. You find Jeff's root spot up there? Here's a good one to throw in there.
You shim underneath that bridge, shim the rail. If they didn't go,
They actually stemmed behind the one here, that pushed it out, which pushed the mill